Now I'm going to teach you how to make payment to a betting site in Palmpay, any betting site. Now let's say, for example, I want to make payment to a betting site. Now under services, this is my Palmpay first page. Under services, we have airtime, there's a bundle betting fund. So I will select betting fund. Now we have different betting services here, betting sites. We have Bet Ninja, Sports Bet, Bet King, iLot, One Times Bet, Betano, Waj, Football.com, BamBet, BetBoss. We have a lot of them, as you can see. So let's say I want to make it to Bet Ninja. So you will select the betting site you want. Next, you enter your user ID. I'm going to use a fake user ID. So let's say my user ID is this. And some letters. You have to put in a valid user ID, by the way. Then next, I'm to select the amount I want to fund my pay to my betting site. So let's say I want to pay 10,000. Good. And then I pay it. Now why it's not working is because, as you can see, it says user ID is invalid. I used an invalid user ID, but for you, you should have a valid betting user ID. So you can do it that way, or you can also top up using *861# if there's no network. *861#, you dial it, and so you have to enter your BVN already linked to your Palmpay account. You put it in, and from there follow the prompt. So that is how to make payments to your betting app in Palmpay.